My channel. So as you guys can see, or I have a bunch of my plants that are usually in the greenhouse out here because I'm cleaning. So what I did is I watered first my plants, and then I took them out because it becomes a hot mess on the table after I water. So I decided to do it that way. People will ask me when do I water my succulents and cacti. The thing is that in the greenhouse I tend to slack a lot when it comes to watering. So I just go by how the plant looks. You can just see that the plant looks very sad, and it just see these things start happening. So I'm like, okay, yeah, they needs the water. So that's when I do it, just to be safe, because we do have a lot of humidity here, and obviously those out there get all the rain that comes down, and so far they are pulling through. I'm super proud of them. But yeah, I wanted to show you what I did here and maybe show you up close. Guys, I am impressed by this cactus right here. That's a blue cactus. I don't think that the camera can really pick up the beautiful colors, but it's such a healthy looking cactus. This has no kinds of scales, no kinds of marks, so I am like super proud of it. That one. This one did have a little bit here. I kind of addressed it a little bit already. What I did is I'm treating it like I treat all my other plants. I will put alcohol on it and then rinse it. I don't let it go ahead and dry. I'm just a little bit scared, I guess, of causing any burns. So that's what I do. These obviously had gotten scales. I'm talking about scales. I don't even think I mentioned that. Some scales will just go ahead and fall off, and if it's been too long, then they just stay. So these are old scales that I noticed a little bit too late. But as you can see, none of the new growth has scales. I also love these blue cactuses. These are not typical. I don't see these all the time at Home Depot, and I got this at Home Depot. And I just want to say all these cactuses are in this pot I got from Home Depot, and I'm super proud of it. I think I did it in 2018. I will post a link just to be sure. It's been in the greenhouse though this whole time. I've never left it out of the greenhouse, and I'm just gonna keep it there for now. I don't need to change anything. It's doing really well, so I'm gonna leave it there. But I just wanted to brag about that. Also, I wanted to go ahead and update you guys on this. If you guys, I'll go ahead and post a picture of it so you guys know what it looked like before. It was in a cardboard box, but I felt it was already outgrowing it, so I decided to just go ahead and take the whole thing out and just place it into the pot and add soil. That's what I did. I tried not to disturb it at all. So yeah, all these are here, and let me show you why. So I cleaned the table nice and clean, and look what I did over there. I really like the way that looks. Let me turn off the fan real quick. There's our shot. I'm still cleaning, guys. I'm still cleaning and making some decisions. Hey, you. Do you mind? You're just trampling all over my plants. Huh? What you doing? Anyways, look at all the sun just went away, guys. It looks so pretty when the sun is hitting it. But today's going to be like an on and off sun thing. So I don't mind though, because I have took today to work out here. And that's what I really want to do. I just in general, the whole yard, I'm just doing a little bit here and a little bit there. My main backyard, this is called my main backyard where the pool is. It looks like a hot mess because it's been raining, so weeds are growing everywhere, and pine needles and leaves are falling everywhere. So I just put down a bunch of weed killers on the pavers. So I did that, and now I'm just gonna continue to work over here. So I've been thinking about something. I like how that looks. I really do, and I'm really loving cactuses too. I was thinking, what if I become like a full-on cactus lover? And succulents here and there. No, I'm kidding. Anyways, I love them all, but I love how that looks. So I was thinking of possibly taking this out. I don't like the idea of plants being above plants. I like the scale effect. So what if I took another piece of wood, put it this way, and did the same thing? I need to see if I have enough wood to do that. But yeah, I like that idea, so I'm really thinking about that. And this side over here is a hot mess because it's kind of like my propagation station, where I just take a bunch of cuttings and let them dry, or let them get roots while they're, like aerial roots. And yeah, I'm also debating whether if I should put these plants out there or not after they root because of all the rain. One of the reasons some of them I took in here is because they're just not doing well with the weather. But this one does. I just cut her because she was leaning over it. She was just a very long stem, so that's the only reason. And then this one, I just also same thing, super long stem, so I decided to propagate it. Already has roots, so maybe I will put that out there. Same thing. This will do well. These plants right here, this one and this one, never worry me about the rain. Never. They do super well. I don't know what it is about them, but they just do. So yeah, this one, look at this big red eyes. I had to behead because the same thing, it just became too top heavy and leaned over. This one, it just didn't do well. Got too much rain, and when I went to go move the plant, this was wobbly, and when I look, she had already like detached herself from the main plant. So yeah, she's, in general, her head is pretty healthy. She was also trying to shoot out her own roots as well, like kind of like self-preserve, I guess you want to say it. So I'm just gonna let her sit there and let her do her thing. But I like the way that looks, guys, so I think I might do the same thing as well here. And yeah, I like how I hung those there too. Look at my Lola went and variegated again. She had stopped being variegated, then she started getting, I guess, more sun again, and then she has variegation again. So I think that that's what it is. The ones that get a lot more sun variegate, I'm not sure, but yeah, this cactus over here constantly flowers, constantly. Every time I look, there's a flower. Look at that baby lizard right there. It's on the other side. This Black Prince is old, guys. Here's the sun. Here's the sun, so you guys can appreciate it when the sun hits it. Looks so pretty in here when the sun hits it. I just wish it was cooler. Here's the Black Prince. This Black Prince is 3 years old, guys. And here's my Lowie, I think, or something like that. Louie, I don't remember. Lowie. Yep. That you can see where I water. It moves that. Anyways, that's what I want to show you, what I'm doing in here right now. So I'm gonna go think about what I was talking to you guys and see if I can figure it out, and then I'll update you guys on that. You ready to see what the greenhouse looks like? I think that this is my best setup yet. Here we go. Look at it. It's so pretty in there. Okay. So let me go around, and yes, you do see some new plants, so I'll talk about those in a minute. So I put that there. All my cactuses, I'm trying to keep them all on one side, as you guys can see. And then scattered succulents here and there. That's new, guys. I purchased that where I went to go, where I bought my fishes from. I went to go get one of those fishes that helps clean your pond. They eat the algae. So when I was there, these beauties were there. So I'm super excited to see them, and I purchased them. So yeah. So I really like the way they look on here. I think it looks really, really good. Look at how pretty she is. So pretty. Look at this one. I moved this one over here because if you guys remember correctly and you see pictures on my Instagram way back, or I'll share it here, this one looked like that one. Ask me why it doesn't look like it right now. I can't tell you. I don't know. It just does it when it feels like it. either it needs to be stressed from water or sun, but I treat them the same. I don't get it. I treat them the same, so I don't get it. This is, you know, the one that I got. It's a little beat up, but she'll recover. She's gonna perk up and she's gonna be beautiful, and I will propagate the living out of this plant. You'll see. I am so proud of this. This one's just here. It does belong outside, but I removed a few of her pups, so it's just here recovering from the wounds from when I moved the pups. Let me see. Actually, I mean, I don't think it was attached. So here are all these that are propagating. Some of these probably already have root and some of them don't, but I'm just keeping them here. See, those are the ones. Definitely this doesn't, because I just did that. This one fell off when I was transplanting the main plant, so I just popped it in there. And then these are here because waiting for them to have some good roots to plant them. And then that is the aeonium that Melissa sent me. Hopefully it just stays looking good. I am not watering because supposedly right now they're dormant, right? So I'm not going to water. So let me know if you guys water at all in California when it's dormant. Let me know. And if you do, like how you know, how often, how in between. So just let me know. And those already have roots, but I'm just taking a little precaution before I place them outside, just to make sure that they have a good chance to deal with that weather. Or I might just keep them in here for now until fall. I'm undecided, but guys, I love the way this area looks now. I love it. Let me see if I can show you guys better. How pretty it looks in there. Oh, this plate, it's not, you can actually hang it or use it, you know, to carry whatever. It was a Hobby Lobby for $3.24, guys. There was a few, I think 3 of them left in my Hobby Lobby, so I'm sure you'll find it. It was in the 90% off section, so you guys might find it there as well. But guys, I'm super happy with this. I hope you guys like it too. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.